Hey guys, welcome to another episode. 2013 Dodge Dart. I'm on my way to school. I just wanted to make a little video on this windy road that I take to school every day. Just make a little bit of content for the YouTube channel. It's been a little bit since I've posted on the channel, but I want to start being more consistent and consistent with it. So, other than that, the car has been driving really well. Other than my radiator cap broke, so I wasn't able to pull it out until I got a new one, obviously. And it just kept so much pressure inside the system that it was seeping through all the hose connections. It was just a shitty week of just keep really refilling the tank just to make sure it's always topped off and no air bubbles got in. But look how sharp this turn is. It might not feel sharp, but that was really, this one's sharp too. This one's oh, you want to turn now? Alright. But yeah, this is a very fun, very planted road. It can use some work in some places, but for the most part, it's very technical, very detail-oriented road. But if you can handle it, the road is very fun. Yeah, I was just going with that car in front of me, but going different ways. I don't know if I've done it in a whole wide open pull before. It hooks, especially now that the temperature is rising. The turbo is pushing more boost, or the motor is letting more boost in since the air temperature is hotter. When it was 10 degrees out, I would only make 15 pounds of boost, or 16, since this is running an even gauge. But honestly, this is very fun. The car is planted right now. Would like to see how some coilovers would do for the stability and overall track, but this is a very tight corner right here. And then this is where it can use some work, the whole car just goes off to the side. And then this part right here is very, just dive in, gas. That's a very, very technical road, but if you can handle it, it's a very fun road. There's no doubt about it. The road is, and I take it every day just because of how fluid the road is. It's a very nice back road, and the car handles it well. I filled up all the tires to spec, and the car just feels good. I still have the snow tires in the front. I'm waiting to rotate those with my winter tires. having them on for another week or so isn't bad at all. So, and plus the temperature fluctuates in March, so I'm not really worried about the tire compound and stuff like that. Alrighty. Yeah, that was the road. That road is very, very technical, very fast, very just precise, and the car handles it beautifully. I just want to see how lowering it with some coilovers to see if that'll sharpen the contact with the road, keep the car center of gravity a little lower, just so it can handle the turn better. But honestly, it handles it beautifully. So I'm gonna wrap it up there. I gave you guys a little update on how the car is doing. Give you guys an update on some of the roads that I take. I'm gonna take some more videos of some more back roads that are very technical and that are just fun to drive. Just talk about the car, talk about how it handles, talk about the road, the conditions. I'll talk about the tire setup that I got on the car. And, yeah. So stay tuned. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So look forward to that. We're at 15. We need, obviously, a lot more. So share, like it, repost it, comment, subscribe. Honestly, like, I'm just recording on my way to school. I hope you like the videos. They're fun for me to make. I like talking about the car, how it handles. So if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.